Hi, I'm Lynn, and I'm here at the Williams Center today to see Dr. Williams. About a year ago I came in and had a little bit of surgery. I had something called the weekend lift and a little bit of fat transfer. I have been very lucky all my life. I've been relatively petite and tiny, and I always looked very young. And when I was in my 20s, people used to think I was still in school, and when I was in my 30s, people thought I was in my 20s, and so on and so on. And one day I hit 50, and suddenly people weren't saying, "Oh my God, you're how old? You're that young? Oh my God." And little by little I started noticing the signs of age, and one morning I got up and I looked in the mirror and said, "You know, girl, you're starting to look old. You don't feel old, but you're starting to look old. There are all the signs." And at that point I thought, you know, I'm not going to get any younger. So I thought, well, you know, maybe I'll do a little research. I always like to research and learn new things. So I went on the internet and I studied up and researched different forms of plastic surgery and cosmetic surgery, and thought, well, okay, now I'll look for doctors in my area. And I researched some of that, looked at the different doctors and so on in the area, and I saw some articles in the Times-Union, articles about Dr. Williams and some of the great things he was doing, and I thought, you know what, you're never going to know unless you try. So I called the Williams Center, and everyone was very nice, everybody was very knowledgeable, everyone was helpful. I came in, all my questions were answered, and I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and go for this. So a year ago I had something called the weekend lift, and I wasn't quite ready to use a lot of the chemical products and fillers out there, so I asked if I could use some of my own fat, and that was fine. And so I had the procedure done. It took about a weekend to get back on my feet, and within 10 days I was back at work. And it's been a year now, and I feel great, and I think I look great, and people don't say, "Oh, wow, she looks really odd." Now they think I look great. And this past year I just became the grandmother of 3 little grandsons, and I'm looking really young, and I love every minute of it. Thanks.